Hello, welcome to Sagani. Today I'll be talking about forex trading in Ghana. Well, video will be for beginners or for anyone who has heard about forex trading and you would like to go into forex trading to make some money. Well, forex trading is not a get rich quick scheme where you can be rich very quickly. Well, but you can make some money. It's possible to make some money. Now, for those who want to go into it, who don't have a job yet, who don't have any source of income yet, I recommend you rather get a job, get something doing that brings money, so that you don't take that kind of pressure to make money so quickly into forex trading. You need to be really relaxed in this game, or else you blow up so many accounts, and that can really have a bad effect on you, and you may not like to go into it again. So for beginners, I would like you to come to this website called babypips.com. When you go there, you can go to learn forex. Now this is for free. It's free for beginners and it will teach you all you need to know to start trading forex. After learning baby pips, everything here, I guarantee you that you can trade forex. So when you go to learn forex, their courses, everything here is for free. So you just need to go to start course. Now look at that, preschool. They teach you everything you need to know. What is forex? How do you trade forex? When can you trade forex? Who trades forex? Why trade forex? Generally everything, and it's for free. It's for free. They will not take anything from you. It's for free. Now you need a broker to be as you are learning. You need a broker so that you can try some demo accounts. And the broker I recommend is Xness. Excellent. I'll leave a link down below in the description so that you can click and go there, and then you can register and try their demo. Now it's good to start with the demo account, right? But if you want to, the reason why I'm recommending Xness also is because of their Momo deposits. In Ghana, we use Momo a lot, and because of that, because I can deposit with Momo, uh, with Xness, that's why I recommend Xness, so that you can easily deposit with your Momo and you can start trading. And with Xness also, you can start with a standard account. But when you are starting out, after your demo, maybe you've learned a lot, you are like, wow, I want to put in some money and start trading and then see how it goes. You can start with a standard account, but maybe you have only $10 to put into this standard account. You are ready to lose $10. Now, the reason why I say you are ready to lose, after you go to baby pips, you've learned all this, you understand why I'm saying you are ready to lose the $10, because you can lose money very quickly in forex trading. Now that $10, instead of losing it all in one account, it's better you go to the MT4, Xness, the MT4, then go to standard cent account. They have this only for the MT4 option, but the MT5 option is not there for now. I go to MT5, you see, it's not there. But for the MT4 options, we have a standard cent account. What does this mean? It means when you have that $10 and you want to deposit, if you deposit it here, that $10 will show as 1,000 cents. Show as 1,000. So it's like you are trading with $1,000 account, but it is $10. So to do this, it's better you split the $10 into 10 $1 accounts, which means it will show as $1, $100 in each account, which is 100 cents in each account. That way, when you trade all these 10 accounts, you start with one of them. When you're able to blow up all these 10 accounts, then you know you have to go back to School of Pipsology and start all over again. Now, after also learning a lot from baby pips, you can go to Forex Factory. Forex Factory will give you the news. when you're trading, you after learning baby pips, you know why you need these news. But for now, you can after learning everything on baby pips, you can go to their forum, go to trading systems, and you have a lot of trading strategies you can learn from. You can also try these trading strategies, and in trying them, you then begin to develop your own trading strategy to be able to defeat this market. Thank you very much for your time.